Hello, Debi Sementelli here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the new white Faber-Castell Pit Artist Brush Pen. It's White 101. I happened to go into Hobby Lobby and found it and was astounded by how good it is. I've seen it online on dickblick.com. I haven't seen it too many other places. So if you love lettering on dark paper, you might want to grab this from wherever you can find it. So I'm just going to show you, this one has already been used. And what I found was that it gets more opaque with more use. So you'll see that's pretty good. So if you're someone that likes to letter on dark colors, this is a gem. Because normally your white pens only come in a bullet point. Something like the Posca. And this is great, but you can see it's just a bullet point, so you can't get the thicks and thins like you can with a brush. So it's very cool. This is a brand new one, so I'm just going to show you that there is a difference in the transparency when it's brand new. It's almost like it's taken a while before the ink actually comes down and gets a little bit more opaque. So you can see the difference. But I personally really like the Faber-Castell brush pen. It's one of my personal favorites. And I will show you, if you want to go over the strokes, until you've got more use on it, you can make it more opaque. So you can see that adds some color to it. But definitely check it out. This is a piece that I did using the Faber-Castell white, and I think it turned out fairly well. I did go over some of the strokes to make them a little thicker, make them a little bit more opaque, but I also left some with a little bit of transparency because I just like the feel that it gives to the piece. So that's my assessment. I give it a 10 once you get to wear it in a little bit, because I have not seen a white brush marker that you can use on dark paper that works as well as this. If you'd like to take my brush lettering classes on Skillshare, there's a link below for 2 months free. Thanks for watching.